Hey everybody, my name is Anthony and this is my 2018 R1200 GS Adventure Triple Black, and today I'll be reviewing the Viking Odyssey 80-liter Adventure Touring luggage system. This here is the Viking Odyssey mounting harness. I pre-installed the pouches to the harness, total of 4 pouches. When installing the pouches, each pouch is going to consist of 5 bolts and nuts. When installing, you have a chart here that you are able to adjust from 0 to 3, and you can tilt to your liking. So you have some room for play. So if it's too close to your leg, it's too far back, you're able to adjust it to your liking. When installing the harness, it has a total of 5 tie downs to strap. You have 3 in the back and 1 on each side. Hello. There it goes. And securing them is pretty easy. So after you run them through, all you do is pull back to tighten. We included some Velcro straps to secure any loose strap. For a neat and secure system. This also includes the Velcro to hold any remaining strap from flapping. Now for the other side. Taking a closer look at the mounting system, you'll see that it also includes a MOLLE system to put some attachments to add on, so you're able to hook on or add any other items you may. Opening it up, there's a clear bag you can use for that secures, like pretty secure, seems waterproof to me, and you can put maps, pictures, whatever you want. On the other flap, it also has 2 pouches, zippers, so a small one up here, a little bit bigger one down here for toiletry items, medicine, cologne, whatever you choose. There's lots of options for storage here. Now getting into the dry bags. The system consists of 6 total bags. They have 2 25-liter, 1 22-liter, 2 4-liter, and they also included a dry bag for your tent poles. Another key feature about the 22-liter trail pack, it doubles into a backpack. Storage capacity is 4,882 cubic inches. It holds a lot. It also has customizable leg, 100% waterproof dry bags, abrasion resistant, and detachable pockets. MSRP is $699.99. And now I'm going to install and secure the dry bag into the luggage system. quick recap on the system. This here is your 4-liter pouch with your 4-liter dry bag. This is your 25-liter pouch with your 25-liter dry bag. Here is a 22-liter trail pack, and here is your dry bag for your tent poles. Everything's secured, fastened, and fits like a glove. I highly recommend these bags. There's tons of room for all kinds of things. They're easy to mount, easy to take off and on, and you can detach and use as a backpack as well. What more can you ask for? Overall, the system is amazing. It's made out of quality material, it's waterproof, lightweight, and best of all, it looks great on my bike. I highly recommend this to any and all adventure riders. If you're into hunting, fishing, camping, or off-roading, the system's for you. With that being said, thank you for watching. Until next time.